Hey everybody, this is Grant Larson. Welcome to the Stock Report for Tactical Trading. An incredible week, right? Another one of these bounce. Talk about pogo stick. Come on, let's zoom in and take a look here. I'm on the SPY here, right? If you follow my finger here we go. Here's Monday this week. Wham, dropped really hard. Look at that MACD, so red. Look at that, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, just really worked hard to recover. Only on Friday to have it mostly all taken away. Just whack back down again. Talk about a fun ride, huh? Okay, we're going to be talking about something really important today in the stock report. I've prepared a report that focuses on using indexes as part of our evaluation and selection process for stocks. So you probably wonder, what's the process we go through? I look at several things when I'm picking the stocks, but one of the most important things I do is I have a watch list in my Thinkorswim platform of all of the indexes, and I can see right away, is it red, is it green, is it red, is it green? And then I walk down within that and I start looking at the stocks under there. It's really important to understand that behavior of the index, and that of course gives some increased probability in our understanding of where the stock itself could go also. So looking forward to going over that with you. Come join me.